CRMAXP. Never used it before, but like most of the diagnostic tools. So I'm going to press diagnose, initializing. Bluetooth is connecting. If I go VIN identity, that should automatically find everything. So we come to the end of the scan. Let's see what we got in terms of faults and how importantly we can clear them. Actuation tests. Let's do an actuation test of the dials. There we go. Needle sweep there, just to make sure that they're all behaving as they should. Let's clear the old fault memory, that's important. Press OK, erase done. Let's read the fault code. No fault codes found. We can press the button at the bottom, do a quick erase. This is going to erase all of the codes that it can. The ones that are historic, it will just remain. Remember, whenever you're doing any diagnostic scanning, you can only clear codes once you fix the problem. Sometimes you have a low battery, they might put a temporary fault on, that's okay. But if you've got a physical problem like I have with the O2 sensors, you need to replace that part and then clear the codes. And there we go, there's a lot less red on the screen. The only one we couldn't clear was my O2 sensor. So thankfully, we now have a much more healthy looking car. Let's have a look at the